Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So if you press that subscribe button and the notification bell, you're all set. Also, if you're already a subscriber to my channel, first of all, thank you. At any time during my videos, if you haven't pressed that notification bell, you can, and then you'll start getting notified as well. All right, today we're going to do a different type of video the way I set it up, because I don't think this box merits a setup and all of that. I think going through it this way will be quicker and easier, and it will get all the information to you. All right, this is the Walmart beauty box. I'm just going to show you quickly here. This is how it arrives. It is completely wrapped with your address. I just took the wrapping off of it. You open it inside, there's usually some tissue paper, and then there's a couple of items inside. This is a seasonal box. It is $5. What they say is that you're not paying for any of the items in your box, you're solely paying for the shipping of the box to you. The one that I get is in classic. You put in your age and your everything, and that's where it falls into that category where I am a classic. They also have one that's called trendsetter, which is for some younger people. And the ironic thing is I did watch a few people that have already received the box, and a lot of them didn't mention if it was a classic or a trendsetter, but one recently said theirs was the trendsetter, and I truly did not see anything different in my box, which was the classic. Usually there's something, oh, maybe there was one product, I think it was a lip oil. Usually there's something a little bit more fun or funky or a little bit out there with the trendsetter. This month, not so much. So I stick with the classic. Some people get both on their channel. I'm not an overly huge fan of this box, but I do like getting this box because sometimes there's a lippy in here or a mascara or a sheet mask, so something that always makes this box worthwhile. In this box, you'll see there's maybe one item or two items that would pique my interest. Otherwise, everything else in the box for me this season, I keep saying month because I'm so used to getting monthly, so I apologize if I say that in this video. It's a seasonal box. They're also always behind on the season, and you'll see what I mean. On the top of the box, there is a card, and in this card, it says Spring Beauty. We are opening this, we're already into summer, but this is what they do. So there always seem to be 1 month behind. That has always been the way. So it says Spring Beauty Sensation, shop this season's products and find ingredients informative at walmart.com. And then hashtag beauty box. Then they have that they're offering a $100 gift card and things like that. That's what they started with here with the spring box. So the like I said, I'll just lay everything out here so you guys can see everything, but to me this was definitely not the most exciting box, and you'll correct me in the comments if this is something that you think is exciting too. I still believe in this Walmart beauty box because I think for $5 there's always something in here that is intriguing. So this one here is a toothbrush. It is a charcoal infused tapered bristle. It's naturally friendly. It's a PBA free toothbrush. They're saying it is soft. This is the other information that is on here. It just says, say hello to maximum brushing happiness. This thoughtful design toothbrush features soft precision tapered bristles infused with charcoal from bamboo, and its super comfy handle is PBA free. For extra ingredients, your mouth says thank you. So that's the first item that was in the box. Then from the same brand, they gave us toothpaste. And this toothpaste says it is an anti-plaque whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. They're saying it is in the natural peppermint. And then it's saying in fine print here, it says with tea tree tea tree, and coconut oil. And that's the information that's on here. And this is the information which is really hard to read even up close in the camera. So that's the small little sample of the toothpaste that we got in the box. The next item was the one that intrigued me. This one here is from the brand called Boré. It is a Love Your Pores. It is a rose quartz and charcoal. It's great for oily skin. It's a daily purifying cleanser. And then in the fine print here, it simply says deep cleanse and radiates self-love. And then that's what the back of the it looks like here. It simply says how to use for optimum results. Use daily on a wet face. Squeeze the cleanser onto your hands with and it'll get into a lather. Massage over your entire face. Rinse thoroughly with water. So that's the next item here. So that was the Boré, and we have the toothpaste. The next item, the next item in here is from Suave. This is a curl and defining in foil pack cream. It is the shampoo and the conditioner. They're saying it's for natural hair approved. It's for naturally curly and coily hair. It is a curl defying cream. And this is, like I said, from Suave. So that's what this item looks like here. And then the next item that they gave a card for is for that Suave. So they gave some more information on it. They're showing you the type of hair that it is good for, and that they're saying this is a new product available at Walmart. They have everything about it here on the back of the card, and then they have a $2.50 save coupon if you like the product. Then the next item that's in here, which is similar to an item that we received in the I think in the Allure box, as well as in the Target box. A lot of us are home, so it seems to be very much the manicure pedicure type of theme. This is from Salon Perfect. They're saying this is a new nail design nail set. They're saying there are 24 nails, a nail file, and professional nail glue in here. This is the design of the actual nails that are inside. I don't tend to use these products. I never have, but that doesn't mean, you know, that in the future possibly, but this is what's written on the back of the product here. They're saying they are salon worthy nails and you'll have them in minutes. So that's the next item that was in the box. And then the last item is a supplement. It is from this brand called Calm, and it is a magnesium supplement. They're saying it is raspberry lemon flavored with other natural flavors. So that was the next item in here. And then they simply put a card in about that product that says de-stress with a moment of calm. 5 ways to practice self-care right now. Take a 10-minute walk during your lunch break. Stretch by your desk after writing a long email. Text your best friend to catch up. Plan an easy but delicious dinner for tonight, and take a moment to enjoy the natural vitality of calm. And then here they're showing you what the actual bottle looks like that you would see in the store. And they're saying you can try their delicious gummies and this tasty drink mix. And there's some more information here. So it's obviously a promotion for something new that's now available at Walmart too. So like I said, this is definitely not my favorite box. There's maybe one item in here that I'm going to play with. Everything else I think is just going to go into an area where I keep for giveaways or friends, family, and things like that. So just wanted to do a quick video to share this with you guys. Like I said, this is a quarterly seasonal box. They always seem to be one behind season. I'm sure we'll get the summer come Labor Day, but it is always $5. It is an automatic charge. I think I got charged last month, and then a month later the box shows up. You never receive advance notice of tracking, but you do know it's coming because a month ago, like I said, they send an email saying, please confirm that your address and your credit card information is all correct in the Walmart.com. And then I never respond to that because all my information has stayed the same, so I don't have to. And then, like I said, you do not receive any tracking. The next thing you know, it's in your mailbox, but it's usually about a month later. All right, just wanted to take a couple of minutes to share that with you guys here. Once again, I always appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here and tune into my videos. So thank you so much for that. But most importantly, I want to make sure that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.